Would owning a ranch that can provide you with a western rural lifestyle be an attainable dream for you? The Pioneer Legacy Land and Cattle Ranch affords the privacy, tranquility, and views highly sought after in a Montana ranch lifestyle property. Nestled in the Hot Springs Valley on the Salish Kootenai Reservation, the ranch is framed by the distant mountain views of LOLO National Forest and high, majestic mountain peaks. With Highway 28 as the main access road, nearby towns providing commerce, retail, schools, and medical services are within a short drive. The ranch is a short 20-minute drive to the Flathead Valley and Flathead Lake, the largest freshwater lake west of the Mississippi, and Glacier National Park is a nearby attraction for additional activities. You are about 90 minutes to the Glacier International Airport or the Missoula International Airport. For over 100 years, this 949-acre ranch has been in the family, providing a peaceful lifestyle and a good living. It has a carrying capacity of 100 to 140 cattle units. There's a network of two-track roads throughout the property. Fencing on the property is in good condition and consists of wire perimeter and cross fencing. The headquarters has feedlot pens and fence line bunks. Working corrals and equipment is also included. The land parcels are all contiguous, there are water rights in place, and a pivot for irrigating the meadow. Sullivan Creek runs through a portion of the property. The east parcel is the location of two older bunkhouses, shop, storage, and machine shed and miscellaneous outbuildings. This offering is the perfect Montana ranch with sustainability and plenty of privacy and seclusion, perfect to build your western Montana dream.